Mow anywhere. BCS offers a wide range of mower attachments to accommodate an equally wide range of mowing needs. Whether you're maintaining a manicured lawn or tending that overgrown area out back, BCS provides you the right mower for the job. Perhaps the most daunting circumstance is facing acres of overgrowth, weeds that are about to go to seed, and saplings getting thicker with each passing year. And the question is how to mow this in a reasonable length of time and at a reasonable cost. Enter the sickle bar mower. Working much like a powered hedge clipper at ground level, the sickle bar cuts everything once at its base. Consequently, the height of the plant material does not influence ground speed. For example, with this 45-inch model, whether the growth is 6 inches tall or 3 feet tall, you can comfortably mow an acre in 2 to 2.5 hours. Because there's no deck, the sickle bar can even be used when a dew or light rain is on the grass. Woody growth? No problem. As you can see, the BCS will neatly cut saplings more than 1.5 inches in diameter. It's safe to use in areas with rocks and other debris. The stub guard prevents these large stones from damaging your cutting blades. And the scissor-type cutting action means that objects won't be dangerously thrown, as by rotary mowers with blade tip speeds of 150 miles per hour. Another sickle bar feature is the width of cut, which can be as much as 53 inches, significantly wider than the wheelbase. This makes the sickle bar the logical choice under fences, between Christmas trees, and for pond banks. The bottom bar floats independently of the tractor wheels, so it conforms to changing ground contours. And because the BCS tractor is all gear driven, it's a great machine on slopes. You can go down a steep bank without fear of the machine speeding up. With a geared reverse, you can back up that steep bank as easily as you went down. The ability to offset the handlebars enables you to walk comfortably, and if the slopes are steep, you can insert axle extensions for a wider wheelbase and even more stability. Now, one aspect of mowing with a sickle bar is that the vegetation is not chopped into small bits. Therefore, if you want to convert that overgrown area into second-tier lawn, one of BCS's rotary brush mowers is the tool of choice. The term second tier refers to the fact that the mowing height is usually set higher than that of a traditional lawnmower, and the growth is allowed to get taller between mowings. In this case, the mowing height is set at 4 inches. Because we're grinding up the vegetation, the mowing time is slower than with the sickle bar. The taller the material, the slower we need to go in order to cut and chop everything into smaller bits. In this example, the BCS is in low gear in order to grind up those corn stalks that are 6 feet or more. Like the sickle bar, this 26-inch deck floats side to side to adjust for changing ground contours. Because the BCS tractor is all gear driven, this is a great mower for slopes. You can go down a steep bank without fear of the machine speeding up. Positive traction enables you to climb. And the ability to offset the handlebars enables you to walk comfortably off to the side. The blades of the 20-inch and 26-inch models are of the brush hog style. They mount with shoulder bolts, swing outward with centrifugal force to accomplish your mowing, and fold back if you hit large stones or stumps. The adjustable skids allow for different mowing heights, and the adjustable front intake chute adjusts for different height material. A larger 30-inch rotary brush mower with fixed deck, single blade, and caster wheel is also available. Whichever model you choose, rest assured that all BCS rotary brush mowers will mow anything that they can bend forward, including woody brush, saplings, and this multiflora rose. Let's turn our attention now to the green carpet of manicured lawn that surrounds your home. Depending on the size and time available to mow, BCS offers both the single-bladed 22-inch and twin-bladed 38-inch lawnmower attachment. In this case, we're using the 38-inch mower and creating a manicured cut second to none. Features include a top-mounted 4-bushel bagger, which allows for trimming on either side of the mower. Notice that hinged blades are used for safety, and each blade has its own discharge into the bag, thereby packing as many clippings into the bag as possible. Also, the height of cut adjustment is the simple movement of the blades up and down on spline-spindled shafts. This means that the clearance between the deck and the ground never varies, and the airflow needed to stand the grass up and aid bagging is always at an optimum level. The bag is hinged so that it pivots upward and forward for easy removal of the clippings. Here, we're using the clippings to mulch potatoes, an example of synergy, the BCS style. The bag is removable for side discharging. Notice the discharge port is high for a wide dispersion of clippings. With the addition of the mowing sulky, the BCS can be quickly adapted from a walk-behind to a rider. As the saying goes, walk where you must and ride where you can. BCS is indeed your mow anywhere machine. Only BCS offers a quick change among a variety of sickle bars, rotary brush mowers, and lawn mowers. Only BCS offers the advantages of all-gear drive for tough commercial applications. And only BCS offers the accessories that enable you to fine-tune your equipment to meet your circumstances.